Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and today we'll be going over 3 different types of sun salutations. We'll go over Classical Sun Salutation, Sun Salutation A, and Sun Salutation B. The Sanskrit term for sun salutations is Surya Namaskar. The great thing about sun salutations is that they incorporate the entire body. So they're the perfect warm-up to prepare your body for any type of exercise or a longer yoga practice. You can also use sun salutations by themselves to go through a few rounds when you're short on time, but you want to get a total body flow. Without further ado, come flow with me.
Meet me at the top of your mat for a classical Surya Namaskar. Bring your palms to heart center and press through your heels and the balls of your feet. Energetically lift up through your legs, engage your core, engage your quads, and roll your shoulders down and back. Breathe here and set an intention for practice. While we're here in this space, let's take some cleansing breaths to begin. Take a deep breath in, drop your jaw and side away. One more time, deep breath in and side away. And then continue to breathe in and out through the nose. Inhale your arms high, take a mini back bend, exhale and fold forward. See if your fingertips reach the ground. If they don't, feel free to bend your knees and let your head hang heavy here. As you gain flexibility, you'll begin to straighten out your legs slowly. From your forward fold, inhale and lift up halfway. You can leave your fingertips on the mat, bring your palms to your shins, or bring your palms to your thighs. Wherever feels good to you, just lengthen the spine and pinch your shoulder blades back behind you. As you exhale, place your palms on the ground, lunge your right leg back, drop that knee down. As you inhale, send your arms up overhead if you can. If this isn't accessible to you, you can gently rest your palms on the top of your left thigh. As you exhale, place your palms on either side of your left foot and step back. Find your plank pose here. Know that you can always lower onto your knees. From here, you'll take a chaturanga, lower down halfway. Again, this can be done from your knees. And as you inhale, you'll find your upward facing dog. Another option here is to lower all the way and inhale just enough to find your low cobra. Take the option that works for you. Tuck your toes under, exhale your hips up and back to your downward facing dog. Find your space here. Inhale, lift your right leg, exhale, step it in between your palms. Lower your left knee down. Inhale your arms up if you can, or bring your palms onto your right thigh. Hug the belly button up and in, engage your core here. Exhale, frame the right foot. Inhale, look up, lift the back knee. Exhale, step forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, bring your palms to heart center. Let's flow one breath per movement. Inhale your arms high, exhale and fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway, exhale, plant the palms, lunge the right leg back. Inhale into your low lunge. Exhale, frame the left foot, step it back, lower down halfway. Inhale into your upward dog, exhale into your downward facing dog. Inhale the right leg high, exhale, step it forward. Inhale into your low lunge, lowering the back knee. Exhale, frame the right foot. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step forward. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale your palms to heart center. Inhale your arms high. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, this time step the left leg back. Inhale into your low lunge. Exhale, frame the right foot, step back, lower down. This is your vinyasa. Exhale into your downward facing dog. Inhale your left leg high, step it forward, lower the right knee. Inhale to your low lunge. Exhale, frame the left foot, step forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Let's move on to Sun Salutation A, starting in mountain pose at the top of your mat. Inhale your arms high. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and plant both palms and step back into your plank pose. Know that you can lower onto your knees here. Wherever you are, engage your core and press your heels back. Inhale, slightly shift forward. Exhale, lower halfway. As you inhale, find your upward dog. Exhale into your downward facing dog. Hips go nice and high. Press into the base of your index finger and thumb. Hug your belly button up and in. As we flow, one breath per movement, take it at your own pace and follow your own breath. It's okay if you're a little bit ahead or behind my cues. Inhale, look forward and step forward. Lift up halfway. Exhale and fold. Inhale and rise all the way up. Exhale, palms to heart center. Let's flow one breath per movement. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, palms down, step back to your plank and go through your vinyasa. Once you're in your downward facing dog, take 3 to 5 breaths here. Keeping your core engaged. And catching your breath. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. One more round, taking it at your own pace. Inhale, arms high. Exhale, find your fold. Lift up halfway. Plant your palms, step back to your plank, lower down. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. You might be noticing your heart rate is going up by this point, so take this time in downward dog to come right back to your breath. And on your next exhale, bend your knees, lower your knees, and sink back into your child's pose. We'll take a short break here before we move on to Sun Salutation B. So find your breath, release it through your mouth if you need to. Inhale, look forward, find your way back into your downward facing dog as you exhale. And then step forward and meet me in standing once more. Now we'll go over Sun Salutation B, starting in mountain pose once more. Inhale your arms high. Exhale, sink your hips back, bending at your knees. Find your chair pose. Engage your core here and breathe. Squeezing your inner thighs towards each other. Roll your shoulders down and back away from your ears. You can even widen your arms or bring your palms to heart center. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, find that lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step back to your plank, lower down halfway. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. From your downward facing dog, inhale your right leg high. Exhale, step it forward. Right toes pointing forward. Turn the back heel in and let those toes turn about 45 degrees. As you inhale, rise into your warrior one. Arms go up overhead. Now take the time here to square your hips towards the top of your mat. If you need to, step your left foot out to the left to create space for your hips to move here. Exhale, frame the right foot, step back, lower down, and finish out your vinyasa. From downward facing dog, inhale your left leg high, exhale and step it forward. Find your warrior one, turning the back heel in, inhaling the arms high. Again, square your hips, use your palms if you need to, step out if you need to. Engage the core. Exhale, frame the left foot, step back, lower down. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, find your down dog. Pause and breathe. In through the nose, out through the nose. Releasing it through your mouth if you need to release some heat. Inhale, bend your knees, look forward, step forward, lift up halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, find your chair pose, sink those hips low. Inhale, coming back to standing. Flow. Inhale your arms high, sink into your chair. Exhale and fold. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step back to your plank. Find your chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale the right leg high. Exhale, step it forward. Inhale, rise to your warrior one. Exhale, frame the right foot, step back, option to keep that leg lifted as you lower. Finish out your vinyasa. Inhale the left leg high, exhale, step it forward. Inhale, warrior one as you rise. Exhale, frame the left foot, step it back, finish out your vinyasa. Again, take it at the level that works for you. Breathe in your downward facing dog. Step forward as you inhale. Exhale into your chair. Inhale, find your way to standing. Inhale, arms up, find your chair. Exhale and fold. Inhale, lift up halfway. Step back. Finish out your vinyasa. Downward facing dog. Inhale the right leg high. Find your warrior one. Exhale, frame the foot, step back, lower down. Chaturanga, upward dog, downward dog as you exhale. Inhale the left leg high. Exhale, step it forward. Warrior one as you rise. Exhale, frame the left foot, step it back, lower down, and go through your vinyasa. Sink back into your child's pose. Find your breath. You just completed all 3 variations of sun salutations. Now you can move on or stay here in child's pose as long as you need.
If you found this video helpful, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means so much to me. Let me know in the comments below which one of these sun salutations is your favorite. If you're interested in any of the clothing I'm wearing or the mat I'm practicing on, be sure to check the description box below because I'll leave all the links down there. Thanks again for joining me. Namaste.